see more?
Put it in the basket. Good job. What's? Oh, there's another one. It's a pink egg.
What about these eggs, Noah?
Go give it to Daddy.
Whoa. Good job, man.
Yay! Is this fun? One more egg.
Good job.
You're doing so good, Nolan. This way. Hey, you gotta come back over this way.
More eggs. Ooh, this one has cars on it.
Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy New Year.
Yeah.